Hello, my name's Daniel Townley. I'm a master's candidate at SUNY Binghamton University, and I'm here on behalf of my team to introduce Business Review Platform, a new concept in online review services. Online review services are a very important field for our increasingly web-based economy. Apps like Yelp and Google Google Reviews help customers identify suitable businesses to meet their various needs as consumers. At the same time, business users find these reviews essential since they depend upon them to find and retain their customers. Unfortunately, the present set of online review services have their limitations. While they are very valuable to customers, they don't necessarily provide the ideal mixture or depth of data, which is necessary for business owners to make effective decisions and develop effective customer relations strategies. One reason for this is that the types of reviews which are encouraged by the current set of services in this area encourage users to sum up their impression of a business using just a single monolithic review which encompasses all of their interactions with a given business. As a result, business owners don't necessarily have all the information they need to track customer engagement over time or at the level of granularity which is necessary for more detailed analytics. The Business Review Platform solves this problem by replacing this model of traditional reviewing based on one review per business with a transactional review model. Rather than giving a single rating to a single business, users are encouraged to provide multiple ratings for a single business, one for every transaction that they have with that business. The result is that the data collected from users will be have much more depth and be more amenable to deeper analytics, which could be used by businesses to make better decisions. In order to facilitate this, the frequency and regularity of user interaction with the application that would be necessary to collect this kind of data, it's essential that our application have a very streamlined and engaging user interface. In order to establish such an interface, we ensure that whenever the user logs into our application, the first thing they see is a screen inviting them to review a particular business. Now, ideally, this will be whichever business they're currently patronizing or interacting with as determined by geolocation. However, if geolocation is for any reason imprecise, users will also be presented with a brief list of contextually relevant businesses which they can select quickly. In either case, the goal is to maximize, or rather to minimize, the amount of time and the number of interactions a user needs to engage in order to produce a review. They have the ability to add text commentary to their review, but this is not mandatory. Once the reviews have been collected, they can be made available to business owners through a dashboard, which is accessible to business owners who have set up an account and claimed their business listing. Using these statistics, business owners can plan and develop policies which are appropriate responses to the way users are interacting and engaging with their business and how these interactions evolve over time. So in order to ensure that both customer and business owners' needs are met, our group will develop the application using a highly iterative and behavior-driven development process. To facilitate this, we will be implementing the application using the Ruby programming language through the Rails framework. The advantages of using these, one of the chief advantages of using this framework is the availability of excellent tools for test-driven and behavior-driven development, particularly tools like Capybara, Cucumber, and RSpec, which will allow us to iteratively refine the user interaction until our application serves both business users and reviewers as well as is possible. Using these tools, we plan to develop an application which will bridge the gap between customers and business owners in a way which is seamless and mutually beneficial. Thank you.